Hello, my friends. Welcome to Kids Book Buddy. Today we're going to read a book in the Fly Guy series, and its name is Fly Guy Presents the White House. That's where the president lives. Fly Guy for president. Yeah, Fly Guy's president. And the book is by Tedd Arnold. And let's start reading. Fly Guy Presents the White House. 1600. Pennsylvania Avenue. A boy had a pet fly named Fly Guy. Fly Guy could say the boy's name. Buzz. Buzz and Fly Guy walked through the gates of the White House. Cool, said Buzz. This is where the President of the United States lives and works. Fly Guy did a loop-the-loop. He was excited. He zoomed ahead of Buzz and flew inside. The address of the White House is 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue. It is located in Washington, D.C., the capital of the United States. Map of the United States. Hundreds of people work at the White House every day. A White House meeting with President Obama. The Secret Service. The Chief of Staff, the Press Secretary, the speech writers, and several advisors work with the President. Secret Service agent, Press Secretary. And a team of chefs, butlers, maids, florists, electricians, and plumbers keep the place running smoothly. Beekeeper. There's even a beekeeper. The President is the leader of the United States and head of our government. The President also represents our country around the world and is the leader of the armed forces. President Johnson in Vietnam. The President's family is called the First Family, the Obama family. The President's wife is called the First Lady. She welcomes guests to the White House for ceremonies and special events. If a president is not married, a friend or a relative may act as First Lady. Eleanor Roosevelt. Jackie Kennedy. When a woman is elected president, a husband, friend, or relative may fill this role. First Lady. Every 4 years, Americans vote in a presidential election. Any American citizen who is 18 or older can vote, including presidential candidates. Barack Obama casting his vote. Voters. William H. Taft casting his vote. A ballot, B-A-L-U-T, ballot, is a list of people who want to be president. Voters in each of the 50 states mark a ballot to make their choice. The candidate who wins the election moves into the White House with his or her family. The previous president moves out. Clinton family moving into White House, while Bush family moves out. All of the presidents had their portraits painted. Many portraits hang in the White House. William H. Harrison was president for only 32 days. This is him, William H. Harrison. President Washington chose the location of the country's new capital city. It was named in his honor. President Washington makes a plan. George Washington lived in New York City while he was president. There was a contest to design the president's house. In July 1792, a builder named James Holborn won the contest. Wow, that's a long time ago. In 1800, President John Adams and his wife, Abigail, were the first family to move in. They lived there for just 5 months. The White House in 1807. In 1814, British soldiers set fire to the White House. First Lady Dolly Madison saved a painting from the burning building. It took 3 years to rebuild the house. Dolly Madison saved this painting. Some people think the White House got its name after the fire, but that is not true. The White House has always been painted white. It takes 570 gallons of paint to cover the outside of the building, including the east and west wings. For years, people simply called it the White House. President Theodore Roosevelt made the name official in 1901. He even added it to his dictionary. When the White House was first built, it was much smaller. In 1902, President Theodore Roosevelt built an office west of the main house. It was a quiet place for him to work, away from his 6 children. This new section became known as the West Wing. President Roosevelt and his family. The West Wing. Wow, that's when it snowed. In 1909, President Taft built the first Oval Office. Today's Oval Office was built in 1934 and is still the President's office. The Oval Office has 4 exits. 2 of the doors are hidden and blend into the walls. The President sits there. I guess he's trying to say president. Throughout the year, the White House hosts many special events. The Easter egg roll is the largest event. Children race across the lawn, pushing hard-boiled eggs with spoons. 2009. 1953. Eggs. The Easter Bunny. 1993. Each November, the President saves one turkey from becoming Thanksgiving dinner. This is called a pardon. The turkey lives the rest of its life on a farm. The President leads 2 special holiday ceremonies, the lighting of the National Christmas Tree and the lighting of the National Hanukkah Menorah. The National Christmas Tree, the National Hanukkah Menorah. Do you guys know when the Hanukkah candle holder, if you just light the 9th candle, it lights up all of the 8th. Today, the White House has 132 rooms. That is a lot. And 35 bathrooms. There are 4 floors, a basement, and a sub-basement. There are 412 doors and 147 windows, 28 fireplaces, 8 staircases, and 3 elevators. State dining room. Up to 140 people can eat dinner in this room. Wow. East Room. This is the largest room in the White House. 7 weddings and a prom have been held there. Situation Room. This soundproof basement room is the President's Command Center. People work here 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The President joins them when there is a national emergency. Big House. The White House isn't just a place to work. The President has fun there too. There's a 46-seat movie theater, wow, a bowling alley, a golf putting green, a swimming pool, and a tennis court. Wow, I really want to go. President Obama painted the lines on the tennis court to use it as a basketball court. Many children have lived and played in the White House. President Lincoln's son, Tedd, once let 2 goats pull him around the house. President Carter's daughter, Amy, roller skated at the White House. And President Kennedy's son, John Jr., often played under his dad's desk. Amy Carter, President Kennedy, and John Jr. That's crazy. There is a secret door in the desk. Lots of pets have lived in the White House, too. More than 100 dogs have lived there. Millie, Liberty, Bo, King, Tamaho, Vicky, and Pasha. The White House has even had alligators. President Hoover's son had 2 pet alligators that like to crawl around outdoors, like, I think, guards. And it has been said that President John Quincy Adams had a house guest who bought a live alligator to stay at the White House. President Theodore Roosevelt's kids had a pony, bears, a hyena, a pig, a macaque, cats, dogs, snakes, a badger, kangaroo, rats, a flying squirrel, wow, guinea pigs, and more. Ellie Yale. No pet flies? I guess not. I rode horses before. My favorite one's name is Scarlett. President Kennedy's daughter, Carolyn, had a pony named Macaroni. Some say the president and his or her family aren't the only ones who lived at the White House. Ghosts might live there too. The ghost of Abigail Adams has been spotted hanging laundry in the East Room. President's staff and they saw her. Abigail Adams. Sounds creepy. The most famous ghost is that of President Lincoln. People say that his ghost haunts the 2nd floor and his former bedroom. His ghost knocks on doors and sometimes stands at a window. The Lincoln bedroom. A Lincoln bedroom window. That window looks cracked. And there's Fly Guy the ghost. Celebrities visit the White House. Famous singer Elvis Presley visited President Nixon. 1970. Pope John Paul II was the first pope to visit the famous house. 1979. Queen Elizabeth has visited the White House many times, beginning in 1957, when she made her first state visit to America. 1957, 2007. President Jefferson opened the White House to visitors, so anyone can tour the president's home for free. Even Fly Guy had visited. You landed on the president's forehead? 2013. Wow, that was when I was 1 year old, because I was born on 2012. I am famous. It was such an honor to visit the president's house, Buzz told Fly Guy. Maybe we'll work there one day. Yes. Buzz and Fly Guy could not wait for their next field trip. OMG, that was so funny. Well, bye, famous Fly Guy.